No, okay. In this video, I will gonna share with you 4 most important things you have to know to get more sales on eBay. And if you are serious about getting sales now on eBay, I recommend to watch the entire video. Because if you will not gonna watch the entire video, you will gonna miss out those 4 major important things you need to know to grow your sales. Those are practical steps. You listen him. He not joking. He knows what to do. Yeah. And we are starting right now. So the very first thing you have to make sure you do is to focusing on the right thing. What is the right thing to focus on? To keep the focus on your results. You own your results. Okay, and here is what I mean by this. Because you see, you are in control on your results. You are not in control of eBay's algorithm, which means you do not need to focus on the things you cannot control, but you have to keep your focus on things you can control. And you can control eBay's buyers' response, or eBay's buyers' engagement, or eBay's buyers' reaction when you put some product in front of them. And it's also known as the buyer's behavior. This is responsibility. What is that happening between your listing and buyer's engagement? Yes, this time is absolutely crazy because on eBay there are more than 1.2 billion listings. This is insanity, right? And one of them are yours, or maybe 100 of them are yours. How can you drive attention to your listings if there is just like enormous amount of them? So this is where we have to be a little bit smart and do what makes results, not to be caught up just with some actions and listings and relistings. And here is the thing, I will gonna explain here in this video how you can trigger buyer's reaction, because you cannot do anything with the eBay, but you can do something with the buyer. That's where you shift the focus for being like powerless against eBay, or another way is you can be powerful and cause buyer to click on your listing. But please understand, all those things happens only when you keep the focus right. When you keep the focus right, your energy and your power goes right way, and the results will happen based on your focusing. Don't just be caught up in a drama about the eBay promotions and competitions and all those tools out there, which tool to implement and stuff like this. This is not where you can do any single even change, smallest change, none of this. But you can do a lot of change, and you are powerful towards how your eBay's buyer will act, react and engage with your listing. That's where your focus should be. And when you keep that focus and do your actions toward that focus, everything is totally, absolutely different game. So the step number 2, I used to say the dream without a plan is just a wish. So many of dropshippers, they just have this big dream about earning money in mysterious way on internet using dropshipping, but they don't have really any plan. Because if you do not have any plan or any tactic or strategy, how you start and where do you want to be this month, where exactly you want to be on Christmas time, what is your plan, what type of products are you focusing to sell now when your account is new, what will gonna be your next step, there is a plan. If you have a plan, you have a goal. If you do not have a plan, you are just wishing for something. And as probably you would agree that not every wish comes true. So how do we turn this dream into reality? What practical steps we can do? First thing, it's focus, right? Another thing is, if you have a dream and you have a plan, work on your plan. every single day. Think about this and make some small improvements. This is what I teach in my $7.99 training program, because we make improvements, constant improvements, every single day. Not the big one, not the huge one, not the big blasts, no. But the big changes happen with the small steps. You have to do small things every day, and it compound interest grows. And this is how you make big changes, by doing right things in a small, simple steps. Consistency. One single word for all of this is keep your activity constant on eBay. Consistency means you have to be active, not all day long, but small activities all the time, every day small activities, which will gonna be the best indication for eBay's algorithm that you are not dead. You are working every day on your business. Okay, and you are trying not only to work on your business, but you are trying to improve your business by adding small single improvements into your focus. Remember, grabbing buyers' attention, making them click on your product, not on a product beside in your line there, right? But on your product, and how you do this by every single day. Something to improve, something to improve. Believe me, there is hundreds of things what you can improve on your listing to make them click on your product. Because by the end of the day, this is all what it matters, because eBay is responsive system. And eBay will gonna respond on buyers' engagement. So that means what? That means you have to make them to click, right? How you can make them to click? And here's the secret. You have to be different, because people like things different, right? If they are the same stuff, they get just bored, right? They want to see something different, something more value. And there is a lot of things you can be totally different than everybody else. Got the product traffic, no? And here is the big secret comes. If you keep customer engaging, eBay will gonna give you more, because eBay likes more engagement, eBay likes more sales, eBay likes more customer retention, eBay likes more engagement, more satisfied customers. And if you start providing more of the right things, not more listings just, but more of the things that eBay likes, you see the difference? eBay will gonna give you the same more. Now, okay, look another scenario here. If you list just more products and nobody engage with your products, eBay will gonna respond to you with the same, more, not engagement. More for more, that's the law on eBay. Whatever you produce on eBay, you will gonna get more of the same. More engagement, more will gonna come. Free promotions you will gonna get without any penny spent on your listings. Because eBay is responsive system. Please remember that. Focus, eBay responsive system. Focus on getting more satisfied customers, getting more engagement from customers. And if you get more engagement on customers, and this is eBay's like, this $1 billion worth system, you are gonna get the same more possibilities to be engaged. If you are not getting more of this stuff, but getting more of like bypassing buyers only, nobody clicks on your listings, you are gonna get the same more. But you don't really want that more, right? And I always teach my students that you can really control the flow, because that's what matters. If you can get your stuff together right, you are the boss. You cannot work against eBay. You can work only aligned with the eBay. Don't even try to cheat eBay. There is no single smallest way to cheat eBay. There's only one way how you can work with eBay. eBay is too big for you that you would like to fight against eBay. Okay? You are not the DePaul. DePaul can fight eBay. He's the big guy. Oh, strong guy. Yes, strong guy. You are not even me. Okay, stop. So keep your dream, but follow with the plan. Back it up with the plan. And if you do not have the plan, I have the best plan possible, which works for every single dropshipper in my training. It's called 799. The link is below this video. This will gonna bring you to the spot where you trigger all the time buyers to click on your listings, not on your competitors' listings. That's a special blueprint. But let's say you don't want my plan, all right? So I will gonna give you some tips for your own plan if you have one. Getting sales on eBay is more than just to be ranked in the search engine. It's much more than that. And here is what I mean. eBay search is just one single discovery system, okay? But you still have all the rest there. There is more ways how to be discovered on eBay. Yes, absolutely, I got it. You want to be tapped into the discovery system in a so-called eBay search engine. No problem with this. This is what we are doing. Right. But this is not the only way how to trigger the buyers to click on your listing. And here comes point number 3. Choose the power of pictures. And here is what I mean. When eBay buyer comes to the eBay and puts something in a search engine, they got all those listings on the side here, right? And all those pictures right there, okay? So, because you got the picture from your supplier. And here comes a very important question. And the question is, does your picture is anyhow different from all those pictures here in a line? If not, you are the same guy like everybody else. But if you are outstanding somehow with a different picture, you are different. You are grabbing buyer's attention. Buyer will gonna check out what this is. Here is what I mean. We use the power of pictures. Because what happens is, when somebody, let's say, have been found on an eBay search engine, but this is not you, but somebody landed on your neighbor's or competitor's listing, but you are the 3 listings below with a different picture for the same item. What do you think buyer's reaction will gonna be? Think a little bit. And if you think that most likely the buyer will gonna check out on your listing, you are at the beginning of the magical power where all the magic begins. They click on your listing, trigger eBay's algorithm, because every click matters on the eBay's metadata. You got the first click, you got activated your listing on the eBay system. Remember, reaction. eBay is reacting to the buyer's actions there. You got system work for you. Now he clicks on your listing, but he didn't land on your listing. Remember, he landed on your competitor's listing. On the search engine, they found him, but suddenly on the page they see your totally different picture, and your competitor led your buyer to click on your picture. Isn't that amazing? Now it starts like you paid nothing for this. All what you were doing were focusing on be different. Okay, now engagement starts. He clicks, check out what it is. Now what they were gonna do, make sure what is that they are doing. All those aspects actually I explain in a video. If you would like to have that video, it's not on YouTube, sorry, but this is the video from my training 799, one part of the video. I used to send some bonuses, like kind of like, and I will gonna reward you if you will gonna put, because you have been watching so far this video, I will gonna send you that video if you will put the comment. I will send you that video about the buyers, it's called buyer's behavior. So you start the triggering process, buyer comes, engage with you, you got the metadata triggered, you collecting the points, and you have the biggest possibility to be a winner and to sell the item. If everything inside looks like buyer is looking for, that's the magic. Okay, I got it. Now, the worst case scenario, you didn't sold. Oh shoot, right? But think a little bit. You got the click, okay? You started metadata to collect the clicks on your listing. Now what will gonna happen next is he will gonna click some places in there, look description, shipping and stuff like this. You click, 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 click. You generated the metadata already, okay? Next one comes in there, make some few clicks again, okay? Just because you're different. Next one comes in there, get some clicks again. But those guys out there, they don't get any clicks because they are not different, they are the same. But you got the clicks. What eBay's algorithm assumes is that you are different, you are worth to be put in a visibility for the public somewhere there, right? That's why they will gonna put your item, your product as suggested listing for the competition out there for free. You don't have to pay for this. You see where the magic of clicking and to just generating this metadata is kind of like you collecting the points, you collecting the bonuses because you have been clicked so much, means you grab the buyer's attention, means there is something interesting in your product comparing to another products around you, right? So they were gonna show your product to more. This video is all about more. You get more what you want, or you get more what you hate. Because you see what happens. eBay's biggest concern is customers' retention. And this is the concern for 2020 on eBay. eBay is so concerned about the customers' retention that they are planning to have the next change on an algorithm, specifically focusing on customers' retention. And you can be part of this in a very powerful way if you stay different. There are a lot more things to add to this, but if you will comment and ask for the video, I will gonna send you the video, and in this video you will gonna see a lot of those things you never heard about. But if you want my training where I teach all those things step by step and how to be different, not only with the pictures is only one, right? Search engine is one, actually pictures is the second one, but there are more than that, how you can be different and how you can cause buyers to click on your listings instead of clicking on another listings, right? This is powerful stuff. You don't need to comment because below this video in a description area I put the $7.99 link, and you are very welcome to use it for your benefits and to succeed on eBay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in a case. There is this guy, he's waiting on you, and this video you can check it out. It's a very powerful video about how to make long tail keywords, in a case if you don't know that. Take care, bye bye.